Hey again everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things security. I am your legendary host, John, the Iceman, Doe. In today's video, I am going to talk about what to do in an unknown emergency, meaning a situation where you do not know what kind of threat or danger you are facing. Emergencies in general can be very scary and stressful, but there are some general steps you can take to handle them effectively and protect yourself and others. Let us get started. Step 1. Assess the situation. The first thing you should do is assess the situation. Look around and see what is happening, where you are, who is with you, and what resources you have. Try to identify the source and nature of the emergency, such as a fire, a gas leak, a bomb threat, an active shooter, or a natural disaster. If you cannot figure out what is going on, look for clues such as smoke, smells, sounds, or signs. If possible, ask someone who might know more information, such as a security guard, a staff member, or a bystander. But make sure you're actively listening to them, as you could be making the situation worse. Step 2. Call for help. The next thing you should do is call for help. Dial 911 or the local emergency number and report the situation as clearly and calmly as you can. Give your name, location, and a brief description of what is happening. Follow the instructions of the dispatcher and stay on the line until they tell you to hang up. If you cannot call for help yourself, ask someone else to do it for you or use a nearby emergency phone or intercom. Step 3. Protect yourself and others. The third thing you should do is protect yourself and others from further harm. Depending on the type and severity of the emergency, this might mean evacuating the area, taking shelter in place, locking down the doors and windows, or hiding from the threat. Follow the directions of the authorities or the emergency signs if they are available. If not, use your best judgment and common sense to decide what to do. For example, if there is a fire, get out of the building as quickly and safely as you can. If there is an active shooter, run away if you can, hide if you cannot, and fight only as a last resort. Step 4. Provide first aid. The fourth thing you should do is provide first aid to anyone who is injured or ill. If you have a first aid kit or access to one, use it to treat any wounds, burns, bleeding, fractures, or other injuries. If not, use whatever materials you have available, such as clothing, towels, or paper. If someone is unresponsive, has no pulse, and is not breathing, start CPR until the EMS providers arrive. If you are not familiar with what to do, call 911 and they will walk you through the steps over the phone. Remember to always think first before acting and avoid doing anything that might make the situation worse. Step 5. Stay calm and alert. The fifth and final thing you should do is stay calm and alert until the emergency is over. Try not to panic or lose hope. Keep yourself and others calm by breathing deeply, talking positively, and reassuring each other. Stay alert by paying attention to your surroundings and any updates from the authorities or the media. Follow any instructions or orders that are given to you by the police, firefighters, paramedics, or other officials. Do not leave the scene unless you are told to do so, or it is unsafe to stay. And that is it. Those are the 5 steps to follow in an unknown emergency. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, let me know in the comments below what other topics you would like me to cover in future videos. Thank you for watching and stay safe out there.